People in East London have reported being spooked hearing blitz like air raid siren earlier today. Shortly before 12 p.m. people took to Twitter to question why there was an eerie noise echoing across parts of Bow and the surrounding areas. It is not yet clear what the purpose of the sirens was or where it was transmitted from. People by Tower Bridge and 2 kilometers east in Poplar could hear the siren. Why has there been an air raid siren around East London about 10 minutes ago? One Twitter user asked about the unusual sound. Another added, "Fantastic timing to test the air raid siren East London. Come on lads. It was test, wasn't it?" A third noted, "Spooky to hear an air raid siren in London." Historian Dr. Charlotte Riley asked, "Can anyone in East London hear siren of some sort?" Some suggested the sirens came from the Thames barrier and were test.